Welcome back to Learn Brizy Cloud with me, JP, in our Starter Kit series. And today we talk about leads and forms. Brizy Cloud Free comes with a feature that no other free page builder can beat, and that is an integrated form builder. And you will need forms. If your website doesn't have a form, you're in trouble. Then it's just a little notice that you've thrown out there. You'll find once you put a contact form on your site, you're going to have people contact you, and sometimes that's going to lead to business. So you just want to have a contact form there in case somebody reaches out to you with an idea, proposal, or they want some information. You never know what the future holds. Bring in a new block. I'll click here on the plus, and instead of creating one, I'll go to the contact selection here under categories, and we look for a free one. Simple one over here, drop us a line, select that, and that's it. Your name, email address, and your message. Check out the video document on how to build forms within Brizy because there's a lot of functionality here. I just want to make sure that this is set to a text field because we want name there. This one should be set to an email field because we want an email, and this one is set to the message, so we want paragraph. Then go to the button and you'll see this little option here like a plugin, a socket on the right. Select that and you will see that you have apps here, you have reCAPTCHA that you can add in the free version. Everything else is a pro version. So what happens when people fill in this form on your website? Where does it go? Does it just go into the ether? Is it lost forever? Or do you have to have some telekinesis to receive the message? Because you don't have an email notification and you also don't have mailer integrations. That is where the lead function in Brizy comes in. So all I need to do here is save this, and let's open it as a preview and fill in this form. So along comes Sally Lee. And Sally Lee wants to fill in, and Sally Lee wants to reach out to you and look at a collaboration. She will put you on her TikTok channel, and for that she wants 1 year's free ice cream. So Sally types in her name, Sally Lee McBarsky, and then her email address is lmcbarsky@ridiculous.com, and then her message. Can I get free ice cream? And I'll talk about you on my TikTok channel. And boom, she sends the message out, and there's a little notification. Your email was sent successfully. Now you, on the other hand, how do you know you got this message? Remember, you're in Brizy Cloud Free, so you actually don't know. This is a habit that you will have to establish if you're using the free version. Let me show you. First, we need to exit the entire builder because this has got nothing to do with the builder. Go to the bottom left-hand corner, click on More, and then select Go to Dashboard. And this takes us back into our Brizy Cloud workspace and dashboard. Go to Starter Kit, 3 dots in the top right-hand corner, select it, and click on Leads. And there is the message that the entitled Sally Lee McBarsky had sent you. And you can export this as well to Excel. Everything is going to be here. So in the free version then, you do have the option to receive these messages, and we call them leads. Every person that you meet online is referred to as a lead. If you want to have this appear in your own email box, like your Gmail or whatever extension you are using, you will need to sign up for Pro, and then this message will be sent onward to your private email. This can also be sent in the Pro version to distribution lists where the fields are automatically filled in. Great way, interact with your people, but make sure if you're only going to use Brizy Cloud Free that you have a habit of come and check it like once a week. If you don't expect anyone to ever speak to you, just then make it like once a month. But I can guarantee you the most obscure, unknown, gray kind of websites that I thought no one will ever respond to, once in a blue moon, somebody contacts you, and it's always very interesting to see what it is. I'm not talking about spamming. I'm talking about people with real connection needs. And close out.